This week we traveled to Pymatuning State Park in northwest Pennsylvania. Pymatuning State Park is one of the largest parks in the Commonwealth. The area was once known as the Great Pymatuning Swamp that was formed as glaciers moved through the area thousands of years ago. In 1913, legislators appropriated $100,000 to build a dam. For the next 18 years, both private and public organizations worked to raise the funds needed to build the 2,400-foot-long earthen dam. In 1931, work began on the dam and was completed in 1934. The dam resulted in a 17,088-acre reservoir, the largest in the state. In 1935, the Civilian Conservation Corps, or CCC, built buildings, roads, and completed various other tasks, some of which are still able to be seen in the park today. The park has 2 campgrounds currently and is working to remodel and reopen another. They have cabins available to rent, as well as some full hookup RV sites. Primarily, they offer electric-only sites. The park today is a popular destination known for boating and good fishing, both from shore and afloat. The park has 7 miles of hiking trails, numerous playgrounds. The state also operates a fish hatchery, wildlife learning area, and spillway.
Hi everybody, we're here at Pymatuning State Park and we are at the spillway, and it's fun to come down here because there is a lot of carp and ducks and geese here, and for $1 you can buy a loaf of bread, and then you can come down here and you can feed them. So let's take a look. Can we get some to the ducks and geese, guys?
a pretty nice beach. Doesn't seem to be too crowded. We've got a nice spot. The girls are in the water.
That is a white-tailed deer. Now I ask you, how does a deer get on an island?
Swim.
Don't overthink this. Don't overthink this. Don't overthink this. There you go. It swam, right? So, all right. So listen. Hey, that could be true, and you're right. It could be a big swamp. Bears can swim. Deer can swim. Why? Why can they swim? Tigers can swim. Why can they all swim? Okay? Listen up. Is your hair solid or is it hollow? It is hollow. Just like this. Their hair is hollow. So that is, should you touch a pond?
No.
If you see a pond by itself, should you go up and pet it?
No.
Nope. I guarantee your mom's watching you, right? Okay, same thing with a bear cub. If you see a bear cub, should you ever go touch a bear cub?
No.
No. Okay, very good.
Thanks for joining us this week. You can find us on Facebook and YouTube. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing or liking or leaving us a comment in the comment section. Until next time, make way, USA.